The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy blood sugar level is essential for overall health, particularly for people with conditions like diabetes. While consuming foods high in sugar can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar, many so-called sugar-free foods can be just as harmful. In this video, we will discuss the common foods that cause a spike in blood sugar and the dirty tricks behind so-called sugar-free foods. We will also provide some useful tips on how to manage your blood sugar level and stay healthy. Foods that cause a spike in blood sugar. 1. Sugar and sugary foods. Foods high in sugar, such as candy, soda, and baked goods, can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. These types of foods are often high in carbohydrates, which the body quickly converts to glucose. Consuming too much sugar can also increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, and other health problems. 2. White bread and other refined carbohydrates. Foods made with refined flour, such as white bread, crackers, and pasta, can also cause a spike in blood sugar. These foods are often low in fiber, which means that they are digested quickly and can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar. They can also increase the risk of weight gain, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Potatoes and other starchy vegetables. While vegetables are generally considered healthy, some types can cause a spike in blood sugar. Starchy vegetables, such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, and corn, can be high in carbohydrates and can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. Consuming too many starchy vegetables can also contribute to weight gain and other health problems. 4. Fruit juice and dried fruit. While fresh fruit is generally considered a healthy choice, fruit juice and dried fruit can be high in sugar. When fruit is juiced or dried, much of the fiber is removed, which means that the sugar content is more concentrated. This can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, especially in people who are sensitive to sugar. 5. Processed and packaged foods. Many processed and packaged foods, such as granola bars and snack cakes, are high in sugar and refined carbohydrates. These types of foods are often low in fiber and nutrients, which means that they can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. They can also increase the risk of weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. The dirty tricks behind so-called sugar-free foods. While sugar-free foods may seem like a healthier option, there are some potential drawbacks to consuming them. In order to compensate for the lack of sugar, some sugar-free foods may contain high levels of other carbohydrates, such as starches or maltodextrin. This can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar, particularly in people who are sensitive to carbohydrates. Additionally, some sugar-free foods may be labeled as low sugar or sugar-reduced, even if they contain other types of sweeteners that can still impact blood sugar levels. For example, some sugar-free foods are sweetened with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose. While these sweeteners are calorie-free and do not raise blood sugar levels, they can have some potential drawbacks. Consuming artificial sweeteners can have potential risks, such as disrupting gut bacteria, leading to digestive issues. Studies have also suggested a link between artificial sweetener consumption and an increased risk of certain health issues, such as cancer. Moreover, consuming sugar-free foods may lead to a preference for overly sweet flavors, making it difficult to appreciate the natural sweetness of fruits and other whole foods. Tips for managing blood sugar level. The good news is that there are many ways to manage your blood sugar level and stay healthy. Here are some useful tips to help you get started. Eat a balanced diet. Choose whole foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These foods are digested more slowly, which means that they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar. Eating a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates can help you maintain a healthy blood sugar level and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These foods are digested more slowly, which means that they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar. Eating a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates can help you maintain a healthy blood sugar level and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. 1. Monitor your sugar intake. Try to limit your intake of sugar and sugary foods as much as possible. Read food labels carefully and be aware of hidden sources of sugar, such as condiments, sauces, and dressings. If you have a sweet tooth, try to satisfy your cravings with fresh fruit or a small amount of dark chocolate. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. If you are new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration over time. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood sugar levels and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Practice stress-reducing activities, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing, to help manage stress and improve your overall health. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels and increase the risk of insulin resistance and other health problems. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body regulate blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. Conclusion. While there are many foods that can cause a spike in blood sugar, there are also many ways to manage your blood sugar level and stay healthy. By choosing whole foods that are high in fiber, limiting your intake of sugar and sugary foods, exercising regularly, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, you can help your body maintain a healthy blood sugar level and reduce your risk of developing health problems like diabetes and heart disease. When it comes to sugar-free foods, it is important to read labels carefully and be aware of hidden sources of carbohydrates and sweeteners. By taking a mindful and balanced approach to your diet and lifestyle, you can help your body function at its best and enjoy a long and healthy life. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more similar content that focuses on health and well-being. You may also find it beneficial to explore the other videos provided in the thumbnails, particularly if you are interested in learning more about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, improving mental health, or cultivating mindfulness. These additional videos offer various insights, tips, and strategies on these topics. Thank you for watching.